Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to indent text in a Canva text box. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. This could be any project you're working on, whether it's a presentation, social media post, or document. Once your design is loaded and you can see all your elements on the canvas, you're ready to move forward with formatting your text. Now, locate and click on the text box you want to indent. This will activate the text box and allow you to edit its contents. You'll notice the text box becomes highlighted with a border, indicating that it's now selected and ready for editing. This step is crucial because you need to be in editing mode to make any changes to the text formatting. Next, click just before the first word in the line where you want to create the indent. Position your cursor at the very beginning of the text, right before the first character. This placement is important because it determines where your indent will start and ensures the spacing looks professional and intentional. Now, press the spacebar a few times until the text moves to the right. Each time you press the spacebar, you'll see the text shift slightly, creating the indent effect you're looking for. Keep pressing until you achieve the desired amount of indentation. This method gives you complete control over how far you want the text to be indented, allowing you to customize it based on your design needs. From here, type your text and check the spacing to make sure it looks the way you want. As you add more content, keep an eye on how the indent affects the overall layout of your text box. This visual check ensures that your formatting enhances readability rather than making the text look awkward or unbalanced. If you find that the indent is too large, simply press backspace to remove spaces until you get the perfect amount of indentation. This gives you the flexibility to fine-tune your formatting without having to start over. Just tap backspace as many times as needed to reduce the spacing and create a cleaner, more polished look. And that's it. You've successfully indented your text in Canva using a simple spacing technique that works perfectly for creating professional-looking documents and designs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.